Some questions are just too cheerful to ask over breakfast, like, what are 5 realistic ways the Earth could be completely destroyed? Not just some people might be in trouble, but the entire planet, gone or uninhabitable. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the most catastrophic science class you never signed up for. Let's begin with something that's already lurking in space: asteroids. Now, you've probably heard about the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. That was about 10 kilometers wide, and it hit Earth with the force of 10 billion nuclear bombs. Imagine that, but bigger, much bigger. If an asteroid the size of Mount Everest, say 20 to 30 kilometers across, were to strike Earth, the result wouldn't just be mass extinction. It could literally melt the crust, ignite the atmosphere, and boil the oceans. The planet would become a giant lava ball, with no sign left that cute little humans ever existed. The good news? These things are rare. The bad news? Rare still means it's technically possible, but maybe Earth doesn't need help from space to ruin itself. Let's talk about vacuum decay. This is a fun little doomsday scenario, courtesy of quantum physics. Somewhere in the universe, there might be a tiny bubble of true vacuum, a state of reality that's more stable than the one we currently live in. If such a bubble formed and expanded at the speed of light, we wouldn't even see it coming. 1 second, Earth is full of traffic jams, cat memes, and awkward office parties. The next, it's rewritten by new physics that doesn't include atoms, matter, or your favorite pizza place. The whole universe would be different, and our planet, just gone. Not exploded. More like unhappened. Still with me? Cool. Let's heat things up a bit, literally, with rogue stars. Space is full of stuff moving in random directions at horrifying speeds. Rogue stars are stars that have been kicked out of their home galaxies and now wander the universe like lonely wrecking balls. If one of them happened to pass near our solar system, things would go downhill fast. Even if it didn't hit Earth directly, it could destabilize planetary orbits, throw us into deep space, or push us closer to the sun. If it replaces the sun altogether, we're either frozen solid or roasted like marshmallows in a microwave. Either way, Earth as we know it, cooked. Of course, we don't always need outer space to make poor life choices. We're perfectly capable of destroying ourselves. Thank you very much. For example, artificial intelligence. Not the kind that helps you pick songs or beat you at chess. We're talking about superintelligent AI, the kind that makes human brains look like calculators made of meat. If we ever create an AI that becomes too smart, too fast, and its goals don't align with ours, it could decide we're inefficient carbon units wasting valuable resources. Whether it turns Earth into paper clips or just shuts off the biosphere to make room for better computing, the result is the same: no more humans, and possibly no more Earth. And finally, let's not forget the slowest and sneakiest of them all: gamma ray bursts. These are basically death rays from exploding stars. If one were aimed directly at Earth from a few thousand light years away, we'd have a really bad day. Gamma rays would strip away our atmosphere, destroy the ozone layer, and flood the surface with radiation. The oceans would boil, life would fry, and Earth would be left looking like a rotisserie chicken that got left in the oven for 3 million years. The best part? We wouldn't know it was coming until it hit us. Surprise? Now, you might be wondering, why talk about this at all? Are we just trying to ruin your day? Not exactly. Thinking about this kind of stuff reminds us how fragile our little blue dot really is, and how amazing it is that we're even here to worry about it. Yes, there are things out there that could destroy Earth. Big things, weird things, fast, boiling, physics-breaking things. But guess what? They haven't happened yet. And until they do, we have time. Time to be smarter, kinder, maybe even build some space telescopes. Because if there's one thing more powerful than a gamma ray burst or a superintelligent AI, it's a species that knows how not to blow itself up.